Garula Pedestal Fan is marketed as a powerful modern cooling fan with quiet airflow, energy efficiency, and premium build quality. But the real question is it actually the quality or mostly polished marketing around a basic fan? Now, to be fair, pedestal fans are simple products, and even budget models can work reasonably well if the motor and airflow are decent. Garula also appears to sell real physical products rather than fake listings. What it does well provides real airflow and cooling. At the end of the day, it is still a functioning pedestal fan. Reviews for similar Garula-style fans mention decent airflow for bedrooms, offices, and living spaces. Quiet operation may be acceptable. Many modern DC motor pedestal fans are noticeably quieter than older cheap fans, especially at low and medium speeds. Where it falls short, marketing often exaggerates premium performance. This is the biggest issue. Many online fan brands use phrases like industrial airflow, ultra-silent technology, or turbo cooling, but the real-world performance is often similar to many mid-range fans. Long-term durability is uncertain. Compared to established brands like Dyson, KDK, or Mitsubishi Electric, Garula has a much smaller reputation history and fewer long-term reliability reports. Plastic construction may feel average. Some buyers of trendy online appliance brands report lightweight materials, wobbling bases, or average build quality despite premium-looking advertisements. So, is the Garula pedestal fan real quality, or just marketing? Short answer, probably decent enough, but not revolutionary. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.